welcome back to my channel. Today we will do Mathematics Year 5, topic whole numbers. We are going to look at questions. Alright, we're going to attempt to questions. Alright, we are going to attempt to objective questions for today. There are 14 questions. Come, answer the questions together with me. Alright, let's look at number 1. Number 1, 720,004 in numerals. Alright, 720,000, that means you have a 6-digit number. Alright, 6-digit number. This is the group of 1,000. Okay, we settle the group of 1,000 first. 720,000. So 720,000 and 4. So put 4 at the place value of ones. Then what happened to the other two place value? Is definitely going to be 0. So the answer is 720,004. 720,004. So the answer is C. Okay, let's look at number 2. 120,408. So you're supposed to read it out. So 120, you're going to read it together. So it's 100, 120, 120. So it's in the group of 1,000, 120,000. This is correct. 102,000. This is already wrong. 120,000. This is correct. 102,000. This is wrong. So it's either A or C. So 120,408. So this is correct. Let's look at C. 120,048. So this is wrong. So the answer is A. So that's how you do it. Alright, look at number 2. What is the place value of the underlying digit? The underlying digit. So the last one, this is place value of ones. This is tens, hundreds. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. So it's place value of thousands. Okay. Let's look at question number 4. Look at question number 4A. Okay, we look at the question first. Which of the following underlying digit has a value of 60,000? So we can write here, this is 6 with the 4 zeros. B is 6 with 5 zeros. This is 6 with 3 zeros. This is 6 with 2 zeros. So the answer is definitely A. Alright, look at number 5. 80,000 plus 700,000 plus 2,000 plus 40 plus 300 equals, which one is the answer? So we write down the highest number, that is 700,000, sorry, then followed by 80,000. Sorry, followed by 80,000. Then is 2,000 plus 300 plus 40. Okay, we're going to plus everything. So 4, 3, 2, 8. So the answer is 782,340. 782,340. Alright, this is the answer for number 5. Alright, let's look at number 6. Diagram 2 shows 2 similar bottles. Estimate the volume of water in bottle Y. Very simple. So look at bottle Y. This is, alright, bottle Y is exactly half of bottle X. So if this is half of bottle X, that means 1000 ml divided by 2 equals to 500 ml. Alright, question number 7. Which of the following is true? A, 123,000. So we always teach you to look at the first digit of the number. Okay, which one is bigger? So you can see 3 is bigger than 1. So if one 423,458 is definitely smaller. If you look at this, that means this side is supposed to be bigger. This side is supposed to be smaller. So 123,000 is smaller actually, so this is wrong. Okay, look at the first digit 5, both also 5. Look at second digit, both also 3. Then we compare the third digit, also still the same. We compare the fourth digit, is still the same. We compare the fifth digit. Alright, so this is bigger. 8 is bigger. 6 is smaller. Okay, so the question said 532,168 is bigger. So it's definitely not bigger, it's smaller. So we cross out B also. Let's look at C. Let's compare the first digit 8, then compare the second digit. This is 0 and this is 4. So this is definitely bigger. This is definitely smaller number. So according to the question C, 803,452 is smaller. So this is correct. But anyway, let's look at D. Let's compare 8 and 1. So definitely this number is bigger. This number is smaller. So according to the question, 872,430 is smaller. So this is also wrong. So definitely the answer for number 7 is C. Alright, let's look at number 8 now. Diagram 3 is a number line. Alright, find the value of Q in extended notation. If you notice extended notation, you're supposed to have two ways of writing extended notation in place value or in digit value. So in this question, you realize the answers are all in place value. So we are going to do according to place value. But before that, we need to know what is the difference, all right, between one number to the other. All right, so if you look at this number to this number, you realize that to find the differences, you have to use the second number minus the first number. All right, it is actually 5. All right, that means it's actually every time the number it goes to the second number is plus 5. So to go to the third number is plus 5. Fourth number is plus 5. Fourth number is Q. So from 302, 185 or 300 and 2,185, you are going to plus 10. So the answer is 302,195. So we are going to write it in extended notation. So it's 300,000. 300,000s plus 2,000s plus 100s plus 9 tens plus 5 ones. So from here, so let's look at A. All right, look at A. 300,000s is correct, plus 2,000s is still correct, plus 100 100s and plus 9 tens. But then in this question, you don't see 5 ones. So this is wrong. Let's look at the next one. 300,000s plus 2 10,000s. We don't have 10,000s. So this is wrong. Look at the third one. 300,000s plus 2,000s plus 100s plus 9 tens plus 5 ones. So this is correct. But anyway, we still check D if we have extra time. 300,000s plus 2 10,000. We don't have 10,000. So it's definitely wrong. So the answer is still C. Alright, let's look at number 9. Diagram 4 shows 4 number cards. Which of the following is correct? Alright, ascending order. Ascending order is going up. Ascending order is going up. Ascending order going up means that the first number must be the smallest. 103, 130. We look at the first three numbers will do, because it's easier this way when you're doing objective question. 103, 130, 301. Okay, if you have two numbers are the same, so you look at all the 6 digits. 301, 301,768, 301,678. These two numbers are wrong, so A is definitely wrong. Look at B, descending order going down. That means the first number must be the biggest. If you look at it, the first number is 103,000, is the lowest number, so it's definitely wrong. Alright, C, ascending order going up. That means the first number is the smallest. 103, 103,000. Then it goes follow with the second number, 130,000. Then is 301,678, 301,768. So this should be correct. But anyway, let's look at D, descending order. That means going down. The first number should be the highest number, but the first number is 301,678. This is 301,768. So this number is bigger than this number. So this should be the first number. This should be the second number. So D is also wrong. So the correct answer is C. All right, let's look at question 10. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers which can be divided by itself. For example, the first prime number is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Or can be only divided by 1. So is 2. So this is prime number. Alright, anything that can be divided into a different number is not a prime number. Alright, 9. Let's check 9. Alright, 9 can be divided by 9 is 1. 9 can be divided by 1 is 9. 9 can also be divided by 3, and you have the answer 3. So this is the extras. When you have the extra, so this 9 is not a prime number. So this is already wrong. So we don't have to see the second answer actually, because we know 9 is not a prime number. So 3 is actually a prime number, so A is definitely wrong. Let's look at B. 5 is a prime number. Yes, 5 can only be divided by itself. And 5 can be divided by 1. There's no other answers. Okay, not a prime number. 11. 11 can only be divided by itself. And 11 can only be divided by 1. So it's written here not a prime number. So 11 is wrong. 11 is a prime number. So B is wrong. Let's look at C. Prime number 7. Okay, let's see. 7 can be divided by itself. And 7 can be divided by 1 is 7. There's no other answers. Alright, not a prime number 15. Let's check 15. 15 can be divided by itself. 15 can be divided by 1. 15 can also be divided by 3, and you get the answer is 5. 15 can also be divided by 5 is 3. Alright, so 15 is not a prime number. According to this question, this is correct. Alright, according to this question, the answer is C. But let's look at D. Prime number 12. Let's look at prime 12. 12 can be divided by 12 is 1. 12 can be divided by 1 is 12. 12 can also be divided by 3. You get the answer 4. 12 can also be divided by 4. You get the answer 3. If you want to find the answers, more answers, 12 can also be divided by 2. You get the answer 6. 12 can be divided by 6. You get the answer 2. Alright, so definitely 12 is not a prime number. Is already wrong. 27 not a prime number is correct, because 27 can be divided by 3, can be divided by 9. Alright. Okay, let's look at number 11. Round off 618,549 to the nearest 10,000. Alright, let's do the question up here. 618,549 rounded off. Don't forget, rounded off, the answer must be written at the bottom. All right, so to the nearest 10,000, this is ones. This is the place value of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is 10,000. All right, everything at the back is going to be 0. Let's write the zeros first. Okay, let's look at the second digit. Remember, I told you, look at the second digit. Second digit, if it's more than, if it's 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you are going to plus 1 to the 10,000s place value. So plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is, the answer is 620,000. All right. All right, let's look at number 12. Which of the following numbers give the same answers when it is rounded off to the nearest 100,000? Nearest 100,000. So let's look at A. All right, 198. I'm just going to write the number 046. Nearest 100,000. 1 is 100,000. All right, B. 563112. 5 is at the 100,000, the place value of 100,000s. Look at C. 609423. 6 is at the place of 100,000s. D. 723008. 7 is at the place of 100,000s. Okay, let's do the answer at the bottom. Always remember the last digits are going to be 0. Then we're going to look at the second number. The second number from the front. If this second number is 5 or more, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we're going to plus 1 to the place value of 100,000. So this is 2. Now look at this again. The last 5 digits are going to be 0. Then because this is more than 5, so we're going to plus 1. So the answer is 600,000. Look at C. The last 5 digits are going to be 0. So look at this number. When this number is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we are supposed to plus 1 to the place value of 100,000s. Plus 0, sorry. So this is just 6. Okay, let's attempt to the last number. The same thing. All the last 5 digits going to be 0. And because it is 2, alright, it's in the category of lower number. So we are going to plus 0 to 7. So the answer is 7. So the question says, which of the following numbers give the same answers when it is rounded off to the nearest 100,000? Give the same answer. Okay, so now we're going to attempt to the 10,000s. Nearest 10,000. Alright, so 198046. 10,000 is 9. So let's do this. Alright, 8. We're going to plus 1 to 9 become 10. 1 is 200,000. Actually, the answer is already A. But since we have time, we're going to do all. So you will understand the question more. Nearest 10,000 is 6. So all the other 4 digits are going to be 0. Because it is 3, we're just going to add 0 to 6. So this is 6, this is 5. You see the difference. This is 600,000. This is 560,000. So B is definitely wrong. Let's look at C. 609423. 0 is the place value of nearest 10,000s. Alright, so what will happen here? All going to be 0. Alright, sorry. So because it is 9, we're going to add 1. So this is 1 and this is 6. So the answer is different. So let's look at D. 723,008 to be rounded off to the nearest 10,000. The last 4 digits is going to be 0. And because this is 3, we are going to add 0 to 2. So this is 72. So none of it is the same except A. So the answer is A. Alright, let's look at number 13. Let's look at number 13. Diagram 5 shows a number sequence. Find the value of x. Number sequence. Let's see what is the difference here. Alright, 294,000. Here is also 294,000. Here is also 294,000. Look at the fourth digit. Okay, the difference is here. Here is 7, here is 8, here is 9. So we notice that the difference is adding by 100 because if you look at this, 294,751, the other number is bigger, 294,851. So here is you minus 100. That means it's additional of 100. So to get the number x, we're going to use the last digit or the last number or the third number, 294,951. We are going to plus 100 to find what is the answer for x. So 1, 5, 9 plus 1 is 10. So here is 5, here is 9, here is 2. So the answer is 295,051. 295,051. So make sure you circle the correct answer. Alright, now we are looking at the last number for paper 1 or objective questions that you used to do. Alright, look at the question. Diagram 6 shows 6 number cards. Form the largest 6-digit number from all the cards and round off to the nearest 1,000. Here we have 2 parts that we need to do. First, form the largest 6-digit number. So the largest digit supposed to be in front. So it should be 9. After 9 is 3. We have 2 cards with number 3. So it's 9, 3. Sorry. So it's 9, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Why am I doing the working for you, children? This is actually to help you. So when you are doing paper 1, don't put everything in your head. So every time, write it down. Wherever you want to do, you write it down. So you're not going to feel tired of doing mathematics because actually it's very simple. Everything you just write it. Alright, then everything is going to be easy and correct because you can see properly. Sometimes our eyes can deceive us. Alright, so this is the answer and round off to the nearest 1,000. To the nearest 1,000, here is the place value of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So it's 3. So as I said, the equal sign is at the bottom. The last 3 digits is going to be 0 and we look at the number. The second number is 2. 2 is in the group of smaller number. Alright, so we're going to add 0 to 3. So the answer is 3. The first 2 digits we're going to copy it back. So the answer is 933,000. And then children, make sure you circle the correct answer. So that's the last question for paper 1 or objective questions. So don't forget to come back for the next lesson that we attempt to subjective questions. Okay, thank you. See you again. That's all for today. I hope you can answer the questions well this time on the objective questions that we discussed today. So definitely there will be another session or another video on subjective questions. So don't forget, if you are first time watching my video in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now. See you next time.